Alright guys, we're back in Temecula Valley for part 2 of our wine tours, and today we're going to the Bottaia Wineries, my first time here. But yeah, look at all these vineyards. About to go taste some wines. It's really hot. How hot do you think it is?
105.
It's probably like 105 degrees. But yeah, this one looks a lot different. This one's really white. Apparently they have a pool. It says pool over there. The tasting rooms is where you're about to spend the next, how long? I don't know, but we're about to go taste some wines here. I had no idea there's gonna be a pool here, but as Leia pointed out, I'm wearing swim trunks for some reason. It's not on purpose. Maybe you can swim in this too.
Yeah, maybe.
You think you can swim in this?
No.
No? Ooh, look, more vineyards. Let's see. Okay. First off, I noticed this vineyard or this winery looks really like upper echelon. Everything is like white. It looks a lot more fancy than the other ones, especially the Wilson Creek. And there's less people here too. YouTube.
Hello, Dan's YouTube followers.
This is chilled.
Ooh, it's chilled. So I guess this is the wine I got. I don't know how to pronounce it. That's how you know it's supposed to be good. Let's see. What'd you get?
Moscato and strawberry.
The girly drink. Cheers. Salud. 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 Can you tell us what charcuterie is, Jason? Alright, Jason's a true wine connoisseur right here.
Charcuterie is a plate of meat, cheeses, spreads, olives. Cheers.
And apparently you have to drink it with the finest wines, or eat it with the finest wines. That's what we're about to do, right, Alice?
Finest wines going to Temecula.
We all drink the bad wines, the $5 bottles.
That's true. No, we only drink bag wines.
Bags of wine.
Yep.
Love olives.
Can't do all this.
Yeah, we could eat it with cheese. Do you want a bread jam? I'm not sure.
Charcuterie. Yeah, grab one.
Oh my god, there's a bee in your hair.
Really?
Yes. Oh my god.
Is there a bee in my hair, guys?
Oh my, there's a moth.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
I think it's a moth. Probably a moth.
No, it's a bee.
They're attracted to me because I'm sweet like honey. Alright, so we finished our little wine drinking at the cafe here. Too bad that they only accepted appointments here. So we're going on to another winery for tasting. Alright guys, we're at our second winery. Hopefully we're allowed tastings here without an appointment. But I'm pretty optimistic. It looks pretty nice. And by the way, it's still excruciatingly hot out here. It's like
105 maybe?
105 still. Yes, 105. Still really hot, so we're sweating. But it's a good thing because this one's indoors and apparently they have AC. Oh, there's live music too. Did you hear that? Right there. Where's that music coming from? Oh, right there. Live music. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Yes. The AC. Yes. So basically we get 5 tastings for $20. They give us these cards right here. And we just go throughout the bar and we taste the wines that Avensole has to offer. What'd you get?
Sparkling wine.
So Leia got some sparkling wine. Let's see how it tastes.
Dry like wine, but bubbly like champagne.
Monique.
Delicious.
Delicious. What did you get?
The Solea. Not the Solia, the Solea.
Oh yeah.
Right here, on the back. And I got a 95 out of 100, so that's why it's the gold medal.
So I got 95 out of 100.
Yeah. From Spain.
From Spain.
Malbec Merlot blend,
Nice.
nice and smoky, like a fire, but very fruit forward for a Malbec. Easy drink.
So me and Alex both got the Malbecs on decks. Smoky, not too sweet.
If you're going like after 6, Lorimar, especially.
Salud.
Soleil? Soleil?
Soleil.
That one's good.
It's award-winning from Spain. Taste the grapes?
I do.
It's very grapey, right? This went straight from Spain. What did you get, sir?
Got the Touché.
The Touché?
The Touché.
Oh, right there.
There, yeah.
Touché.
It's the boldest red wine they have.
The boldest red wine.
Bold. Really very, very bold. Kind of peppery vanilla.
Pepper vanilla.
I have to try that one after.
Very plummy. Very plummy.
Yes.
It's good.
That one is the
What do you guys call it?
Touche.
So good.
What do you got?
Sinal blush.
Soleil here enjoys the sweeter wine, so she's going for the all whites, you know? Yeah. I'm gonna taste the, which one is this? The Soleil now. This one's the award winning, the one that Alex just had. An award winning wine from Spain. It's really delicious. So we're gonna kill that bottle right there, guys, after this wine tasting.
Pinot Grigio, 100% Pinot. But a little bit of pear on the smell and then lots of grapefruit. Nice and dry. Pinot.
Cheers.
So I usually don't go for the whites because they're really sweet and I'm more into the reds, but apparently in Temecula, white is the way to go. I'll give you my best wine connoisseur impression. How does it taste like?
You don't taste
It's very
anything
light.
until you swallow it.
Yeah.
Like it has no flavor.
This one is very grapefruity, like you said. What's in this? Pear, that's what it is. This one tastes like really fruity. A dry white. I guess they're dog friendly here too. You gotta smell it first. Wine connoisseur 101.
Tastes like a bag of wine.
What? A bag of wine? Yes, that's the way to go. This is the third red wine we've tried, and so far, the Malbec still takes the crown. Malbec's on deck.
Melody Twins.
How does it taste?
Hey, welcome back, you guys.
Okay, this one's good.
It's good? Is that your favorite one? Or the other one?
I like the Sinal blush, but this one comes right after.
So the
Melody
Sino
Twins.
Blush still takes the crown, right?
Yeah.
Yes. Malbec for the reds and the Sino Blush for the whites. So far, we have two pours left, right? This is their third award-winning red wine that we're trying. It's the Soul Serenade. They got a silver and a bronze. See if it's good. It's supposed to be, it's a Cab Franc and a Merlot. It's supposed to taste like black cherry, plum, and vanilla. Definitely a darker red. A lot of plum, a lot of black cherry for sure. It's a deeper taste. It's pretty bold. This is tough. I have to say it's between this one and the Malbec on deck.
The Muscat Canelli, very sweet.
Is it award winning or no?
No,
No?
but it should
Okay.
be.
Okay. Is this one still your favorite?
I think this one's my favorite because it's
Okay.
sweet. I like sweet wine.
All right,
It
which-
tastes like peach.
So all the girls that like the sweet wines, this one's for you. This is the moment of truth. It's our sixth wine, our final wine, and we're getting the Malbec on deck to test it out with the freshly tasted Soul Serenade.
Serenade.
Serenade, the winner of the silver and bronze. So let's see.
Okay.
We'll see what the difference is.
They're both good.
They're both very
I mean,
good.
my personal favorite is the Soul Serenade. But,
Really?
Yeah.
Your favorite?
Yeah, Soul Serenade. Get some dark fruits in there.
So we're comparing the Soul Serenade to the Malbecs, the two best red wines we've tasted so far.
That's tough.
I think I'll go with the Malbec. It's more balanced. It's like, it's smoky, it's bold, but it's not too bold. It's not too in your face, you know? It's like, it's very balanced. This is definitely my favorite one here. 2015 Malbec. But Alex has a different opinion. All right, Alex, what would you say?
I beg to differ. I think I like the Soleil Serenade better. I like that bolder ending to it. This one's a little milder ending.
Yeah, this one is more mild, that one's more bold. So if you like the more bold and the kick in your face, the Soul Serenade, but if you like it more balanced, Malbec's on deck. That's the final consensus here at Avensole. The red wines here are pretty good. Solid. Good?
That is good.
So apparently they have good sangrias here.
That is good.
This is their other sangria. The white sangria.
Oh, that one's good. That one's good, yeah.
The consensus is they're both super fire.
I like that one. This one's good though. Yeah. It's very good. It's so refreshing. It doesn't even taste like you're having.
Because it's hot?
I think so.
Is it sweet?
It's really sweet, but it's good.
Cherries?
Yeah.
Is it cherries?
Yeah.
It's like strawberries?
Yes.
Last round. This doesn't even taste like alcohol or wine. It literally just tastes like juice.
It's just like juice. It's good.
Tell us what you got.
It's good.
What is it?
Sino Blush.
It is going on YouTube.
That I'm gonna
I'll send you the link
share
when
with my
it's up.
sister.
Lorimar?
Yes?
Very good. Yes, good.
Alright.
$29.
$29. So our third vineyard, it seems that it's very busy this weekend. There's also another wedding. But yeah, this one's called the Lorimar Winery. Apparently it's supposed to be a really good one as well. So yeah, about to go taste some more wines. Are you ready?
Yes.
I guess Cinderella's here too. So this has to be the most packed winery we've been to by far. But they do have an outside patio. Let's see. Alright, at least there's more space to drink. This is a table for connoisseurs. Yep. We got 2016 Lorimar. Malbec's on deck. 85% Malbec. 15 Syrah.
That's for Dan. Give me a fat pour. That is a fat pour, right?
A fat pour?
That's already a fat pour. Make it a little fatter. That's good.
Give Alice a fat pour as well.
That's for him. Oh.
This was all mine.
Fire emoji.
What?
Say some pretty strong tannins for sure. I don't know. It's kind of a milder Malbec for sure. It's good though.
My best wine connoisseur impression again. Hold it up to the lights. Alright. I agree with Jason. It's definitely milder. It's not as bold. This might be my favorite Malbec. It's just very balanced, very even. Sweet, not too bitter. Actually, it's not bitter at all. It's fire emojis. The best Malbec we've had.
Dude, it's like gold and like kind of.
We've been to 3 wineries. What is it? Bottaia.
It's a 4 wineries.
4 wineries. Wilson, Creek, Bottaia. What was the other one? Avalon. Avensole and this one, but for sure, this one's Malbec is definitely the finest. I haven't tasted the other wine, but I'm pretty sure it'll be just as good. This one takes the crown, Lorimar. So this is the grape, guys, where we got our wines.
There you go.